Ladies and gentlemen, this is harder than I thought, right? So welcome back to day 23 of 120 days profitability challenge. A challenge in which I'm pushing myself to become a profitable forex trader within 120 days. Right, today I just want to give you a quick recap.
Nah, is it a recap? No, a
quick revisit to the plans for this 120 days challenge. So let me grab my notebook right here. This is Deriv. Deriv is a broker that I use to trade forex markets, both synthetic indices and the main currency pairs, right? So if you want to trade synthetic indices like boom and crash, volatility 75, step index and stuff like that, go ahead and use the link in the video description to register with Deriv right now and start trading, right? So enough of that. Let me quickly open my notebook and let's have a look at a few other things, right? So 120 days profitability challenge plan. The concept to learn, I have ICT and SMC, and as it stands now, I'm learning more of the SMC because I already have fair knowledge about the ICT. So I think I'll have to finish with the SMC first, then go into the ICT. ICT, I have specific videos to watch. It's not every video that I'm going to watch about ICT. Right, so that's it. And the commitment has to be 8 hours daily, 4 hours in the morning, 4 hours in the evening. And these 4 hours includes both the learning and backtesting, kind of backtesting, let me put it that way, because I have to check the chart and see whatever I'm learning is applicable. I don't want to learn a chart, so you understand, right? So that's a commitment, 4 hours in the morning and 4 hours in the evening. So the duration for learning, all right, you see, this is where I'm having a problem. Okay, the duration for learning has to be 30 days. The main learning process has to be 30 days. That means within 30 days I'm supposed to finish both SMC and ITT. And here is the case, I'm not done with SMC and it's already day 23. So I feel like I still have more to do because I've missed out some days that I've not had my studies, and some days I had my studies but not for the full 8 hours in a day, and that is affecting me right here, and I think I need to work on that, right? So over here, demo trading and finding my personal refinement, that is going to be for another 30 days. So after the learning, I have to take another 30 days to demonstrate the concept that I've learned, all right, to try and see if they are applicable in a market technically, not psychologically, if they are applicable in a market technically. And during that process, I need to refine stuff to suit my personal trading style. So that is it's also going to be for another 30 days. And once that is done, I can go to live trade and improve on my psychology in that aspect. So that's how I plan to do the whole thing. So you could see the remaining part of this thing is to live trade and improve on my psychology to become a profitable forex trader. So basically this is just a revisit to my plans for these studies. And like I said the last time, I don't have room for off days that I've been missing out. I don't have room for that. That's a mistake I've made when I was planning this out. But yeah, let's see how everything is going to go. The day is fast moving though. But yeah, I still hope and believe that something positive is going to come out of this 120 days challenge. You can see the ups and the downs are right here in front of you. Let's see how it's going to be. So that one day, like, listen, let me tell you this. I want you to follow this journey so that one day you begin to tell people, or you can even stand and take bullets for me. That when people are saying, oh, this guy is so and so, you'll be like, nah, I've followed this guy for so long. He started all this stuff from scratch and he had the ups and downs, the challenges. But today, he is making it. Now, I'm talking in terms of the future, right? I just hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I want you to take bullet for me one day. That's why I want you to follow me on this journey. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button on this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're watching this on TikTok, hit that follow button and become part of this journey. All right, I'll see you in the next